Okay, we're standing here on Addie Lake. We're right in front. I'll go to the wide angle view here.
What are you doing? Why not?
Of the North Lake Station. You can see it's quite the handsome building. They did a nice job of redoing it. You can see would have been here, would have been probably where the ticket counter was. The freight shed on that side. Beautiful. We're gonna pop inside and take a look. It really stinks in here. You can see the front part here.
No, really?
This would have been the freight shed part.
Look at this. Look at the stairs.
Look at the stairs. They're full of mice poop.
Yeah, let's get out of here, guys.
Look so black.
Yes, it's not good for us to be in here.
No, really?
No, that's not good for you.
Oh. This is a place of
Some of the old
doom.
saws.
It's like a place of
Couple
doom,
of
guys.
place of doom. Why is the giant
Take
rabbit
me,
in
take
it?
me. Take
No,
me, take
step.
me. Most that blue.
Little.
That side. Hey, look at what
Brochure.
Can you take it of me?
Take it of you.
Spot. And there's a whole pile of iron rails here. And there's one of them stamped with the date. Illinois Steel Company, Joliet
Why?
Works, 1890.
There's a big spike. Where?
And there's some weird stampings on here. I don't know what those are.